top-rated YouTube influencers in the United States. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the top 10 YouTube influencers in the United States. These are the creators who are making the biggest impact on the platform, and their videos are watched by millions of people every day. I'll be talking about each influencer's unique content, their audience, and why they're so popular. I'll also be sharing some tips on how you can become a successful YouTube influencer yourself. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is a 25-year-old YouTuber who is known for his expensive stunts and challenges. He often gives away large sums of money to people in need, and his videos are always entertaining and fun to watch. Mr. Beast's audience is primarily Gen Z viewers, but he also has a large following among older viewers. His videos are popular because they're exciting, unpredictable, and often heartwarming. Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary Vaynerchuk is an entrepreneur, investor, and author. He is known for his motivational speeches and his advice on business and social media. Gary Vay's audience is primarily entrepreneurs and business owners. His videos are popular because they offer valuable insights and advice on how to succeed in business. Alex Hormozi. Alex Hormozi is a business coach and entrepreneur. He is known for his expertise in customer acquisition and monetization, and his ability to help entrepreneurs scale their businesses. Alex's audience is primarily entrepreneurs and business owners. His videos are popular because they offer actionable advice on how to grow a business. Andrew Tate. Andrew Tate is a former professional kickboxer and businessman. He is known for his controversial views on relationships and success. Andrew's audience is primarily young men. His videos are popular because they're entertaining and thought-provoking. Dan Lok. Dan Lok is a business coach and entrepreneur. He is known for his sales training and his ability to help entrepreneurs close more deals. Dan's audience is primarily entrepreneurs and business owners. His videos are popular because they offer actionable advice on how to improve sales skills. Tom Bilyeu. Tom Bilyeu is the co-founder and CEO of Quest Nutrition. He is known for his motivational speeches and his advice on personal development and business. Tom's audience is primarily entrepreneurs and business owners. His videos are popular because they offer valuable insights and advice on how to achieve success in all areas of life. Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone is a real estate investor and sales trainer. He is known for his aggressive sales tactics and his ability to close big deals. Grant's audience is primarily entrepreneurs and business owners. His videos are popular because they offer actionable advice on how to close more deals and make more money. The Harman. The Harman is a YouTuber and filmmaker who creates short films with moral messages. His videos are often funny and heartwarming, and they often go viral. Dar's audience is primarily young people. His videos are popular because they offer valuable life lessons in a way that is both entertaining and engaging. PewDiePie. PewDiePie is a gamer and YouTuber who is known for his Let's Play videos. He is the most subscribed gamer in the world, with over 111 million subscribers. PewDiePie's audience is primarily young people. His videos are popular because they're funny and entertaining. He also has a very close relationship with his fans, and they feel like they know him personally. Dude Perfect. Dude Perfect is a group of 5 friends who create trick shot videos. Their videos are always impressive and entertaining, and they have over 57 million subscribers on YouTube. Dude Perfect's audience is primarily young people. Their videos are popular because they're amazing to watch. The group is also very skilled and creative, and their videos are always well-produced. These are just a few of the many successful YouTube influencers in the United States. If you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, I encourage you to study these creators and learn from their success. Here are some tips for becoming a successful YouTube influencer. Be creative and come up with unique ideas for videos. Produce high-quality content that is engaging and informative. Be consistent with your uploads. Build relationships with your viewers and create a community around your channel. Promote your channel on social media and other platforms. It takes time and effort to become a successful YouTube influencer, but it's definitely possible. If you're passionate about creating content and you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve your goals. Thank you for watching this video on the top-rated YouTube influencers of the United States. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creators and their inspiring stories. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll